Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop, here to share a few items that I've made and added to my shop. You can find these items and a lot of other journal related items in my shop, made by me and also made by some artists that I partner with. So this first thing I'm going to show are some beaded dangles that I've made. This one has a little purple bird at the top with some bronze beads and glass accent beads and little dagger beads at the bottom. This one has a little blue glass bead bird at the top, and then it has various beads. These are vintage beads at the bottom there. This one has a brown clay focal bead, and then some bronze accent beads and some glass leaves at the bottom. This one has a wood bead as the focal bead, and then these little orange beads, those are vintage 1960s glass beads. This one has a silver bead with a floral pattern at the top, and then it has those same beads and little teardrop beads at the bottom. So those are the dangles. Those will be sold separately. And then I have these little floating pockets that I've made. So it's a pocket. It has a piece of lace around it, and each one has a tassel attached to it, a beaded tassel. This one has a little leaf with little green glass beads in the dangles. And then I just made this little pocket, and inside each one are 4 larger labels and then 3 smaller labels. So these you can take out and use anywhere in your journal. These would make great little pockets or accents for a journal card or a pocket or a corner tuck spot. And these would be great as a background for a label or a very small journaling spot. So each one comes with the same thing, and then you could glue this pocket down on 3 sides and have a tuck spot, or on on 2 sides and have a little tuck spot. You could glue it 3 sides and have a little side pocket, or you could paper clip it to your journal. This one has a brown clay bead at the top, and then it has these various green and purple and red and brown accents. And then inside the pocket you have your journal cards here, or your larger labels, I guess. And I did have a video where I showed how to make these. I will link that in the description box. And then here's your 3 small labels on that one. And the last one has this little gold bird, and it's a glass bird, and then it has some bronze accent beads and little glass brown leaves at the bottom. I did a little bit of coloring on that one. This one has a little bit of decorative punch on the corners. And then the 3 little ones there. They all just tuck into the pocket. You can use it as is or use them throughout your journal. So again, you'll find all these things in my Ko-fi shop. That's Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. And you can click on the handmade ephemera section is where these will be. And then you get this piece of lace on each one of these as well. So you can use that in your journaling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kind of losing my voice today, but wanted to jump on here and share these items. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and check out my Ko-fi shop and become a follower over there, and you won't miss out on any of the things that I'm sharing. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.